Greetings over the diaspora. For those that don't speak the languages that we speak down here, today I have a very special friend of mine I haven't seen in the longest, and I thought I need to steal him because we've had like a lot of conversations off camera. Mara, he's here and he'll introduce himself. Next year, actually this year, Mara. Next year, Gregorian again. He will tell us why we are only seeing him next year, who he is, where is he from. So today, the concentration camp, where we want to be talking black tags. For those who have not subscribed, please subscribe, please like, please do comment, please do share. We have a wealth of wisdom here. So Kesha, over to you.
Sathokoza makhaya sithokozini kubantwana bedlozi kwinzalo yelanga untu sathokoza makhaya sathokoza ngini nani badala bogogo nomkhulu mina ngikhulu Mlaba ngikhulu Mlaba ngizalwe eJabulani la eSoweto ngikhulu eJabulani eSoweto yonke into ngiyazi into la eSoweto khani ngifunda into zesintu basically ngifunda manje mara impilo yami yonke ibhizi la elokishini from grade 1 to grade 12 besasama standard 1 standard 10 sub 8 to standard 10 actually ngifunda la eSoweto and then ngithi makhamba isikhathi ke ngokukhula ke impilo ngithatha ngidivert ngibukisa kwi spirituality kwimvelo umuntu uyakhula
actually bengikufuna for another episode marriage indaba shaya isikhathi ngoba usasomuntu waseSoweto wena ke but Kehla we have spoken about this concept before ke this I xoxa and then I was like I really wish I had Mlaba so he can aphawule nge-black tags because there's an event also CSI kuyo and I asked okay black tags being and from the conversations that we had Lena give you a different perspective versus like lezinto ezisifundayo ukuthi kolona bawukhawatha this is that so in your own words ungakwati kakhulu ngicela what's your concept of black tags and then he brought us a little gift. Shout out to us. Ipile ngapheli. So when okay understanding yakho nge-black tags ke most conscientizer because I'm sure ngikufuna for so many episodes mara for this one Kehla ngicela uphawule what is black tags, what is black tags, and then next one we xoxakile one here because I'm sure you guys are tired of me now.
So
what's like
kahle black tags esazi ukuthi system esiphila kuyona lo mhlaba esiphila kuwona kuyithwiste yonke into iphenduleni ibhekiswa imove yonke into i-black tag nayo iphenduleni kahle i-black tag bona bayibiza ngenye indlela ukuthi bona kithi bayi-apply ngenye indlela i-black tax ikhona iyaphila full time apply i-system thina i-black tax ngendlela yona ingayo before thina siyichaze ngendlela basitshela ukuthi ingayo i-black tax kanje uma umuntu omnyama uyothenga lehlazi nge-installment ngoba from esikolweni sifundiswa ukuthi installment the way to live installment from grade 1 to grade 12 to varsity bakufundisa ukuthi u-accepte le story sabo
basibe ne-credit
ukuthi
uthola isikoloto ukuthi bakwazi ukupha isikoloto futhi
you understand and so lesikoloto laba kwambe khona uma usona isikoloto i-credit slavery when umuntu omnyama othenga le class no abe li 5,000 rand let's say 500,000 rand le class installment sakhona mhlambe bakuthi ukuthi so 6,000 rand lo 6,000 rand leyo seyifake nama tax and stuff uzowena kune tax edwayo for ukuthi umuntu omnyama i-black tax i-tax edwayo for ukuthi umuntu omnyama ngoba omnyama baziwa ukuthi mawuthenga imoto nge-installment kaningi ungaqeda ukuyibhadala and so moyilethu letha seyilimele and so mabhenki ayaluza to cover themselves they need to ensure ukuthi mangabe le moto akhona uyibhadala khona insurance egade ukuthi banking alose. And so leyo tax apply kumuntu
let's say ifana negambling the house will always win ne kahle
and so i-black tax ukuthi benzele umuntu omnyama kuphela i-tax apply umuntu omnyama kuphela umuntu omnyama mothenga imoto mangabe imoto bhadala automatic 5,000 per month umuntu omnyama mebhadala 700 rand extra okuyi-black tax yokuthi awubhadala wena ungenzeka noma ungayiqeda ibhadala kusuke masoyiqeda imali ibhadala imoto after the 4 months to pay leyo tax yakhe yabuya uyi-tax yokuthi gadi masehambile
just in case
that's what black tax is.
For the fact that sisagcwalisa ama-form ne ukuthi your race your this your this ne
that's what black tax is. Mara bona bayapply kithi ke ngokuthi baphambanise ubuntu bethu.
Cause sababhale neincwadi kehle ukuthi no wathi bake nginathi fetha mona ke khama ke family yethu so to define the word black tax and unfortunately ibhalwe yithi le ncwadi futhi on top of that.
Angithi kufanele i-deep kakhulu into abayenze kithi labantu laba and the more you educated is the more good kakhulu into see iqiniso lapho understand definitely isikole senzile into eyi-1 senzele ukuthi sibone yonke into ngendlela abasitshela ngayo ukuthi bashape basiprograma umuntu ofundile definitely wonke umuntu ufundile ukuthi ufundile phela obvious angithi uyafunda yonke into lencwadi yakhe le ncwadi and so wena uvalele kule ncwadi hence mo graduator bakufaka imotorboard ukuthi yonke into iphelele lapho understand and so njengoba sesikwazi ukubhala sesibona amasiko ethe wrong is because of sifunde lento esikolweni and isikole umsebenzi waso ukuthi sikususe emasikweni thina saziso ukuthi black tax isifuna uncede umzali wakho understand ufithi masemeqinisweni that's why uzothi ukuthi umuntu abantu abaningi baba inside unemali happy mara kajabulanga unemali eningi mara akekho happy understand because of khona this part of you ewumuntu this part of you umuntu unembeza yazi yona even though i-conscious mind ngathi ukuthi mina bengine-right kumele ngizithengelele ice cream mara i-subconscious mind yakho ukuthi ezangithenga ice cream uma akanamabhoots yabantu okay right let's say uma akanamabhoots umntana asibheke umntana nje umntana sendlini umntana se-next door ujabula kanjani nomuntu olambile kusho nathi uyagula it's the same as uphethe chicken lickini abantu abalambile bagcoba kubukele something is wrong. Mina ngizongenela elokishini ngibona not necessarily familiar ngifika esani out inestombi nema nakumelanga ube so akumelanga ube kanjani incela istombi ayisipandi ene right kunamanye ama-forces eyenziwe i-system kule ungaspani umunye umuntu ofika ukuthi waya ngaspani kanje akazi ukuthi OBE yatshintsha hence intwana zonke sifunde OBE sigcine enyangweni into ezifunde esikolweni la ngingasinto ngoba bahambe ba esikolweni bafunde 9 ama-results yonke into sobala understand and so wena udlula kanjani ubona umuntu wasingistore jo angena next bese wena uchikilikini khona into wrong la ekhaya definitely ngoba umuntu phela into ekwenza ukuthi umuntu ama-emotions ne-logic nocabanga uma ungasenawo ama-feelings ungasenawo ama-emotions ungasafili awusathi umuntu kumele ungabe khonto ebhad kumele ufile esana mengabe leyo feeling leyo ntu leyo mengasekho umuntu sekafile understand and so ngifuna ukuthi ngoba sekuthola thina abantu sesibhale incwadi ukuthi black tax is wrong is because of sokufile leyo muntu understand basitshela ukuthi black tax
mara nabo labazali bethu banawo lawo ama-demands based on the very same black tax ukuthi no so yasebenza manje anafani koreo yabona la ngisebenza khona like baya demand not necessarily ukuthi okay mama na ngiholo wami ngihola kangaka they still like would want more on top of that so how deep does this thing go because nabazali bethu we try nathi mar nabazali bethu or rabo gogo bethu like they have that expectation ukuthi kukanje and wena mhlomong when you are trying to find a leyo mali was for ukuthi I want to be able to take care of my people mara silungisa kanjani lapho ukuthi nathi siyahame like the very same people cities funa to not operate in a black tax manner nabo bayasihama
okay ukuthi
or bafile nabo sebafile ne
ngoba
basontiwe kakhulu
programnywa i-TVs programnywa i-systems programnywa i-lifestyle esiphila understand mara yonke into isuke ekutheni ebuntwini bethu esinawo understand endlini from before ngicanga ukusebenza bengiphila kakhona mama ile ngizoqhubeka ngayo impilo ngakhona ngingasasebenza while bengasafunda esikolweni into oqhubekayo le I mean uma umajo I mean there's no way ukuthi ungachaza uma ungachazelanga understand which ayinto ebalekile nje phela first thing balekile ifamily and considering bazodlulela abantu understand and when abasana madimanda amaningi oboma basachazwa ama perfume nje
abo baba right
uma basachazwa ama lines ama genie amachazwa izikoneni you understand uma uzofuna inyuku yokuthi athenge mhlambe grocery extra ngoba kunabantwana abakasisi abashiwa yini out yabalini understand ufisa abantu abasedladlini laba kumele banakekeleke ngendlela thizini
banababo malo
I mean awukwazi ukuthi mina ngumuntu onjani ngisemsebenzi ngihlala le edrobheni kunabantu abakamaluma abalambile kuthini njengoba ngile edrobheni mina ibalance yini
sure
hence thina abantu amnyama sisikhuluma ngomuntu thina la ukuthi sikhuluma ukuthi bathini bani lo bambulela kwasalisi nyela bamshisa bani
babo Leopold ke
yeah
king man yeah ngiyambona
Liana yayithi it's champagne it's either champagne for a few or water for all
we are not free unless we are all free
and ngoba umuntu ngabantu lesele ethi umuntu ngabantu isho ukuthi if told mina ngirich and poor mina ngirich ngixa uthi poor ma stop uba poor wena mina ngastop ubrich banga but mamele lesingithini if umuntu ngabantu I'm what I am because you what you are when you are rich and I'm poor because of when you are rich I change one thing onke ama angle understand iso like this system into so manje esikolweni ufundela ukusebenza isystem oppressa abanye abantu umuntu wonke umthetho wenziwe
well something very funny actually but in the animal kingdom the animals would be very worried if they see only if say it's monkeys. The animals would be so worried if there's only one monkey who has like all the bananas and all the other monkeys are starving. And Tina, as the humans, the more intelligent animals, Tina, Sbafagagu, my Forbes list, Sbafagagu, the first one to do this. Which is insane. He's a flat earther as well. Actually Kehla ayishazini indaba social load shedding but bengifuna ukuxoxela ukuthi yazini le ndaba le ikhulumayo ukuthi no like you design your own world like everybody else is an avatar in your world I guess like I take what I just not game design I'm like I buy not game design because say it's a bomber shadow work like I'm looking at like these patterns I keep repeating these patterns so much and told like a diary I used to keep 2005 so and I'm like yo I want to tell because it's a pattern I keep repeating and it's why it's 18 years later now and there's something that I clearly have not healed there so I'm like oh that's why I also like even the people that keep reappearing in my life is that avatar le antilanga nakho uyalukhetha kangapheli lapha kahle so no I know ngiyakuzwa Khe
so njani ngizama ukuthi yonke into esiphilayo yonke into is an illusion yonke into imali into engekho bathi it's a great story ever told imali umuntu imali neBhayibheli kahle istory kahle
Sabuya because ngifuna ukukubuza also with your journey like your awakening because I remember when I met you no like staunch and then one day saploma ayuhambela phaya niyo like hayi man and like so okay I think social load shedding but ngicela uyirephape ke i-black taxi and the feature lena siyenzayo on Wednesdays ikasi the concentration camp I think in the past I used to record a lot of the social issues with you so ngicela usirephele ke to social load shedding but I don't know where I'm gonna find him again mara ngasirephela ke black taxi
i-black taxi is everything by twisting. Black taxi may see you against you on the black taxi. And there's only one thing I said as surviving. It's unity. Understand? You black taxi, isystem yonke iyayisupport ngeke uzwe ujuice mali mathulela abantu abuze ukuthi why ama-blacks abhadaliswa imali ngeke uzwe usirima
abangayikwestyini-ke why ngifuna imoto why kumele ngigcwalise ukuthi I'm black
even umfundisi
ngifuna indlu why kumele ngigcwalise
even ipasta enkulu oyithembayo ipasta enkulu eyalithembayo la umfundisi omkhulu ukuthi ngabafundisi abalulanga u-black man abafundisi bakhona not for black man hence kukhala le umali ukuthi imali ebhadala ishumishumini ihambe yebhenki uma ibhenki iyoboleka amajuda hayi wena why wena imali yakhe ebhenki namajuda imali eshumishumini amabhanki amajuda ayenza i-life police ama-life cover nama-life insurance
vele sihlose naleyo
futhi
vele sihlose le ye-Palestine nelona nala majuda la ase-Israel kumele siyihloshe ngicela siyirepele
i-black tax ne i-on
yeah
mara they always twist
indawo
awuyisondeni khuluma ngodudu nalo muntu obhale incwadi bambhekayo ema-finance ukuthi wena bhala incwadi nge-black tax ibhale umuntu omnyama akusumqondo wakhe ezimatshezi ne-TV abofunda ivundla banikezwe iscope ukubhalisa abantu bagcoka ama-title sokuthi ama-blacks ahlala amba ngama-2 centimeter aboduma kandlovu kandlovu into bedlala kumvango bamgcokise unotshela ukuthi igcokise ama-blacks it's not a coincidence ukuthi onke amasopi from ngo-6 until ngo-10 abantu amnyama owelela amasopi angithi bayahamba sibabe ngawo tototi i-producer isopi bayinikeza ukuthi ibhaleke nale ade ibhale nge-black tax njengokuthi black person obhale black tax bathi idea ungagideli ubhadale nalo-system bafuna ukudaka umuntu omnyama ngoba thina si-united bayaqhaqheka la bantu abanastori abekho bangakuthusi
mara khehla ngifuna ukuthi nathi siyixoxe nathi because we can't consistently say what yes system knows Tina, what are we doing? How is familiarly so recorda rona are we even conscious what guys le game le yaphela mesingayiza kanje because laba siyaloyana khehla kakhulu
Tina bathi you are fighting but you are backing at the wrong tree.
No system totally address my hand so everybody like you know we pay the lifestyle like we pay the lifestyle yokuthi yo hayi mele ngiphume kasi namanje you like okay ngiblome kasi ngiblomelani kahle kasi because khehla arinabhekela rakhawathana arinabhekela but khehla ngiyabhoka for isikhathi sakho ish yeah I know you guys gonna want more but ngicela sirepe khehla I want to check ukuthi isikhathi isithini mhlambe we can fit one more thing that I wanted to ask you so was like khehla do you wanna also maybe display or is this for our space here?
Yeah, for our space.
I know so much yeah, this is Mkhulu Mlaba. I get to why I say but yeah, he's been a bank of knowledge, especially for the Ntotakazi. So I really want to ask him also the interesting stuff. He's got a lot of interesting stories. Like leading to the next it's a throwback, Jack roll nan. So he's gonna be the person. But thank you so much for tuning in. Please do like, please do subscribe. This was guys the concentration camp, the social issues that keep affecting us. And yeah, if you're uncomfortable Mona, these are the things that we talk about on this feature. And my ads and happy today.
So,